Have you ever read a story that made you feel scared, happy, or even nervous without knowing exactly why? That feeling that you get while reading is not by accident. It is carefully created by the writer. Again, it is created by the writer. So hello, good day everyone. In this lesson, we are going to explore two important elements in literature. We have the tone and the mood. So now get ready to read between the lines and discover how words can shape emotions. Let's begin.
Hi, I am teacher Crystal. So are you ready, class? So today we will discuss the tone and mood. Tone is the author's attitude toward the subject, the audience, or even themselves. It is communicated through word choices, sentence structures, and imagery. So for example, the sun shines brightly, birds sound sweetly, and gentle breeze whispered in the trees. It was perfect day. This line shows a cheerful tone. So let's move on to the mood. So mood refers to the feeling or atmosphere that a writer creates for the reader. It is emotional response the reader experiences while reading a piece of writing. For example, a story about a dark, stormy night with a creeping old house immediately creates a mood of suspense or fear. A description of sunny meadow filled with wildflowers evoke a mood of peace and tranquility.
So hello class, today we're going to learn the difference between the tone and the mood. They might be the same but they are actually different. So what is tone? Tone refers to the author's attitude toward the subject. For example, is the author being serious, sad, angry, or happy? Okay, let's move on to the mood. Mood refers to the reader feelings. It's the feeling or atmosphere of the story creates the reader. So these are the easy way to remember. Tone refers to the writer's feel, the attitude, and mood refers to the reader's feel or feeling. So okay, did you understand, class? Okay, remember the difference between the mood and the tone. So thank you for listening. Bye!